All top YouTube creators know some important secrets about keeping viewers hooked from the start to the end of their videos, and in return, they get that precious watch time needed to make a video go viral and make thousands of money in every month. But after studying these top creators for months, I've collected these 6 secrets that you can now apply to your future videos to viral your YouTube videos. I'll tell you how they hook their viewers, how do they build suspense in their videos, how they do storytelling, and basically everything that can make your viewers watch your videos for longer. And yes, the last tip is my favorite, so don't miss it. If you apply these tips in your videos, then you will be surprised to see the results. So starting with the first secret, which is about the title and thumbnail. Now, you might be confused because watch time and audience retention depend on the video, right? Let me tell you the secret. Most top creators decide on a video's title and thumbnail before even making the video. And you should do the same. Here's why. Your video is the product, while the title and thumbnail are the packaging, because it's the first thing viewers notice. And that's why when we decide on the title and thumbnail before recording, scripting, or any other work, we should know what viewers expect from the video. We can understand their expectations, which helps us create better intros for engaged viewers in videos. And the perfect example is Mr. Beast thumbnails. And not only his thumbnail, but his intro too. That's why this brings me to the next secret, crafting the intro hook. Look at the audience retention graph. Can you see that high dip in the beginning? It shows that 50% of the audience has left the video in the first 30 seconds. In fact, most of the small YouTube's videos have a similar retention graph with a massive dip in the intro. If so many people are leaving in the intro, there can be only one reason, and that is the viewers' expectations based on the title and thumbnail were not met by the video's intro. So, they were disappointed, bored, and they quit the video. So what's the solution? Well, it's pretty simple. Create an intro that matches viewers' expectations. A great example is Mr. Beast videos. Take any video from his channel, and you'll see that whatever was promised in the title and thumbnail is delivered in the first 5 seconds of the video. That's why I said, decide on the title and thumbnail in advance, so you know what viewers will expect. And if you want to truly hook your viewers, matching their expectations is not enough to maintain good audience retention, so you need to use the next secret. To understand what it is, let's take Mr. Beast video, a Lamborghini versus world's largest shredder. Let me play the video.
This is the largest shredder in the world, and this Lamborghini's gonna fall in it. We're also nuking it in.
Did you notice? The Lamborghini versus Shredder experiment, which is the center of attention in the video, is shown in just 4 seconds at the very beginning. But if you watch the entire video, you'll see that this experiment is shown at the 14th minute of the video. So meaning of this, example of setting up an end reward in the video. It means promising viewers that something very important or interesting is going to happen in the later half or at the end of the video. The benefit of this is that even if viewers get bored during a part of the video, they won't quit because they know the end reward is yet to come, giving them a reason to keep watching. This secret is so powerful if you use correct. Like Mr. Beast, almost every one of his videos has a strong end reward. Now, let's talk about a secret that is easy to apply no matter what your video's content is. In 2024, we all know that viewers' attention spans have become shorter, especially with the rise of short-form content. If a part of your video seems a bit boring, they might quit. In such cases, you can't expect to gain views with a simple facecam video without any pattern interrupt. So, let's quickly learn about some pattern interrupts and tips you can easily use in your videos. Number 1, different camera angles. Shooting a video with a single camera angle can make it quite boring. That's why some YouTubers use multiple camera angles. A great example is Amongodzy. If you watch his videos, you'll see that he frequently changes camera angles to make the video visually interesting. Number 2, adding B-rolls. Suppose you're creating a facecam video, and the main clip is your A-roll. If you add other footage during editing, that becomes the B-roll. Adding B-rolls not only improves retention because viewers don't get bored, but it also enhances visual storytelling. You can choose the right B-roll based on the message you want to convey to your viewers. You can do the same. Number 3, add text and lots of text. When a word or sentence appears on the screen, you have no option but to read it. It's much easier to keep the viewer's attention on the video. You can add word-by-word captions for what you're saying in the video, or simply add text for important words, like this. Before I share my last favorite secret, if you use this secret in your videos, your viewers won't even notice when the video ends. The secret is connecting points. When you watch your favorite creators, you may have noticed that the information in their videos doesn't abruptly transition from one point to another. It's more like a story. The first point doesn't suddenly jump to the second point. There is always a connection between the points. That's why it feels like you're listening to a story. Almost all popular creators use this technique. You won't realize when he switches from one topic to another because they are all making it feel like a story. So if you put all the information I give it to you, you definitely achieve success. And you can make money with YouTube like others creators. And if you want to know about YouTube and make money online, so make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And we will in the next video. Till then, peace.